Beehiiv versus MailerLite. Choosing the right email marketing tool can completely change how you grow your audience without wasting time or money. We'll compare both platforms to help you find the best fit for your needs. Beehiiv and MailerLite are powerful email marketing platforms designed to help creators and businesses connect with their audiences. The core difference lies in Beehiiv's focus on newsletter growth and monetization, while MailerLite offers a more traditional, all-in-one marketing solution. Beehiiv is an email marketing platform tailored specifically for newsletter creators aiming to grow and monetize their audience efficiently. It works by providing intuitive tools for subscriber management, referral programs, and detailed analytics to track growth and engagement. Beehiiv's strengths include its seamless integration of referral incentives, which encourages organic subscriber growth, and built-in monetization features like paid subscriptions and sponsorships. The platform also offers clean, customizable email templates designed to keep readers engaged without overwhelming complexity. However, Beehiiv's focus on newsletters means it lacks some broader marketing features like landing page builders or extensive automation workflows. This makes it ideal for content creators, journalists, and solo entrepreneurs who prioritize newsletter growth and revenue generation over multi-channel campaigns. Users looking for simplicity combined with powerful newsletter-specific tools will find Beehiiv a strong choice. MailerLite is a versatile email marketing platform designed for small to medium businesses seeking an affordable, easy-to-use solution with broad marketing capabilities. It offers a drag-and-drop email editor, automation workflows, landing page and website builders, and robust subscriber segmentation. MailerLite works by enabling users to create targeted campaigns and automate customer journeys without needing advanced technical skills. Its strengths lie in its all-in-one approach, combining email marketing with additional tools like pop-ups and surveys to boost engagement. The platform supports integrations with popular apps, making it flexible for various business needs. However, MailerLite's automation and design features, while comprehensive, may feel overwhelming for users focused solely on newsletter publishing. It's best suited for businesses and marketers who want a multifunctional platform to manage email campaigns alongside other marketing efforts. Those seeking a cost-effective tool with a wide feature set for growing and nurturing an audience will benefit from MailerLite. Comparing Beehiiv and the MailerLite highlights distinct use cases. Beehiiv excels for newsletter creators focused on organic growth and monetization through referrals and paid subscriptions, offering a streamlined newsletter-centric experience. In contrast, MailerLite provides a broader marketing toolkit including landing pages and automation, ideal for businesses managing diverse campaigns beyond email. For example, a solo writer wanting to build a paid newsletter would benefit from Beehiiv's referral programs and monetization features. Meanwhile, a small business aiming to run email campaigns, build websites, and automate customer journeys would find MailerLite more suitable. Trade-offs include Beehiiv's narrower focus but superior newsletter growth tools versus MailerLite's versatility but potentially steeper learning curve. Both platforms offer affordability and ease of use, so the choice depends on whether your priority is newsletter monetization or a comprehensive marketing solution. Choose Beehiiv if your primary goal is growing and monetizing a newsletter with referral programs and straightforward newsletter-specific tools. MailerLite is the better choice for businesses needing a versatile marketing platform with email automation, landing pages, and more. Evaluate your goals carefully to pick the tool that best supports your growth and engagement strategies moving forward.